Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix App Store billing problem. First of all, what you need to do, go ahead to the settings. Click your name at the top, and then go ahead to the payment and shipping. And then what you're gonna do, basically, you're gonna add new payment method, and you're gonna delete your old one. That will help you fix the problem, right? The second way of fixing that, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store, App Store. Click your avatar icon at the top right and go to click get redeem gift card or whatever, right? And you're gonna buy gift card, iTunes gift card, and the funds will be added to your Apple account, and that will be used to purchase any billing left, right? Or any amount of money left to pay. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.